Hey guys, in this video we're going to do a physical size comparison between the iPhone 7 Plus versus the iPhone 13 Pro. Now this is just a physical size comparison so that you can get a feel of what it's like between the two different devices in terms of size-wise. Okay, so here if we have the two phones facing this way, you can see here, this one is quite slightly larger. So you can see the iPhone 13 Pro is slightly shorter and more narrower than the iPhone 7 Plus. Now in terms of the screen space, the iPhone 13 Pro definitely have much more screen space, because the iPhone 7 Plus, the screen space is only up to here, from here up to here. So that is the screen size of the iPhone 7 Plus. And at the top here, there is a very small speaker at the top on the iPhone 13 Pro, whereas over here you got the speaker on this side right next to the camera. And of course there is a home button at the bottom of the iPhone 7 Plus, whereas on the iPhone 13 Pro there is no home button on the screen at all. It is built onto the screen. Okay, so let's turn to the side, and you can see on the side here, you can see there is a side button on the side, and then there is a small button on the side right here, and then there is a SIM card tray on the side on the iPhone 7 Plus, whereas on the iPhone 13 Pro the SIM tray is on the left hand side right here. And then you got the same volume up and volume down key, as well as the silence key at the top. And on top, this is the top, there is nothing much on the top. And at the bottom here, you've got the loudspeaker, you've got the same charging port. So it still uses the same old lightning port to charge the phone. However, the same port is also being used for the headphone as well. And you can see here on the iPhone 7 there are more holes for the speakers and the microphone, whereas on the iPhone 13 Pro, sorry, the iPhone 7 Plus versus the iPhone 13 Pro, the 13 Pros only have 3 holes at the bottom on the left hand side. Now if we go to the back, you can see here on the iPhone 13 there is a larger camera components right here. There are 3 large camera, and the lens is much larger than the iPhone 7 Plus, and there are 3 cameras system, whereas on the iPhone 7 Plus there is 2 small camera lens. Now there is a flashlight, small flashlight on the iPhone 7 Plus versus the iPhone 13 Pro. There's also got the LiDAR sensor on the 13 Pro, whereas on the iPhone 7 Plus there is no LiDAR sensor. And again, the back here we've got the Apple logo near the top on the iPhone 7 Plus. On the iPhone 13 Pro, the Apple logo is near the center of the device. And the width of the phone right here, or the gap on the side here, you can see on the iPhone 13 Pro it is a lot thicker than the iPhone 7 Plus. 13 Pro seems to be a lot more. So I'm just going to move it right in so you can see. Weight-wise, they're both weight very similar in size. Perhaps the iPhone 13 Pro is slightly heavier, and in terms of the screen resolution, you do get much more better screen because it is iPhone 13 Pro versus the 7 Plus. But apart from that, if you're just wanting to know the size, then it is a little bit bigger, not much bigger, as you can see right here, and their weight almost the same. And that's it. That is the physical comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro versus the 7 Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.